Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Thank you for your subscriptions and your comments. Now, students, today we are going to see class 8 poem Punishment in Kindergarten by Kamla Das. Now, what do you mean by kindergarten? Kindergarten means childhood, at the age of childhood. Now, here Kamla Das is an Indian poetess and she has written so many poetries related to childhood. But in this poem, she is showing her pain. So, first I will read the paragraph and then I will explain you the paragraph. Today, the world is a little more my own. No need to remember the pain. A blue frocked woman caused throwing words at me like pots and pans to drain. That honey colored day of peace, why don't you join the others? What a peculiar child you are. Now, here the Kamla Das is describing about her childhood, that what punishment she got during her childhood. Now, she is saying that today is the world is a little more my own, means she is saying to some extent the world is hers. No need to remember the pain, means at the time of childhood when the children are playing together, there is no need to remember the pain. A blue frocked woman caused throwing words at me like pots and pans to drain. To drain ka means empty. Matlab she is saying this thing, that the blue colored frock woman is throwing words, is saying bad words to me like pots and pans means like empty vessels. That honey colored day of peace, on that day when we were playing, we were at peace. Why don't you join the others? What a peculiar child you are. Now she is saying this, that why don't you join our group? Why don't you enjoy with us? What a peculiar means, what a strange child you are, that you don't join us. We'll see the second paragraph. On the lawn in clusters sat my childhood siblings. Sugarcane they turned and laughed. Children are funny things, they laugh. In mid at others' tears, I buried my face in the sun warmed hedge and smelt the flowers and the pain. Now, here in this paragraph, Kamla Das is trying to say this, that while they are sitting in a garden, lawn means garden, in clusters, in groups, sat with her schoolmates. Sugarcane they turned and laughed. She says this, that it appears as if sugarcane is laughing at them. Children are funny things, they laugh. Like sugarcane is saying that children are funny and they used to make fun of these children. In mirth at others' tears. Mirth means amusement. Okay? In amusement at others' tears, I buried. Means sugarcane is laughing to those children who are sad, who are crying, and they are laughing on their tears. I buried my face in the sun warmth edge. Buried my face means मैंने अपने face को छुपा लिया sun के hedge में. And smelled the flowers and the pain. And she tried to understand the pain of those children and the smell of those beautiful flowers. The words are muffled now, the laughing faces only a blur. The years have sped along, stopping briefly at beloved halts and moving sadly on. My mind has found an adult peace. No need to remember that picnic day when I lay hidden by a hedge, watching the steel white sun standing lonely in the sky. Now, here she says this, muffled means not loud or not very clear. The words are not very clear now. The laughing. Now she is recalling her childhood when she has now become a lady. Faces only a blur. Blur means blunt. धुंधली यादें हो गई हैं. The years have sped along. So many years have passed on. Stopping briefly at beloved halls and moving sadly on. Means she is saying this, that the years have passed and many things have moved on. Briefly at beloved halls. जो हमारे ख़ास थे, जो हमारे प्यारे थे, वो सब धीरे धीरे यादें कम हो गई हैं. And moving sadly on means when we departure, when we, as now we are grown ups, we cannot play like childhood times we used to play. So she is saying that moving sadly on means we keep on moving, remembering those days. My mind has found an adult peace. Now she is saying that as now I am a grown up, I am able to cope up with the negatives, cope up with the situations. So she is saying that as now I am adult, I am at peace. No need to remember that picnic day when I lay hidden. Okay, she don't want to remember that day when she was hidden by the edge. जो हेज़ बनी होती है उसमें. वॉचिंग द स्टील वाइट सन. वॉचिंग द स्टील वाइट सन मीन्स watching that bright sun standing lonely in the sky, because in the daytime only sun can be seen in the sky. So she is saying that I don't want to remember those things which are negative and which was like a punishment during our childhood. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.